Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just trying to film this really quick before I go off to school, but my name is Jolene. I make relax hair videos here on YouTube. Today, well, over the past month, I've been doing this rice water challenge. I've been using the rice water in my hair, but I haven't been using it in the same way. So maybe the results that I get will be vastly different from what another person might have gotten based on how they use it. I used it in 4 different ways in the 4 weeks of February, but I used the same products like the Prepoo, shampoo, deep condition, moisturize and seal for the 4 weeks, which I usually don't do. I usually like to switch it up. But for the purposes of this experiment, I used the same products, just swapping out a product to replace it with rice water, so there wouldn't be any necessary like confounding factors. If that makes sense, I hope it does. I hope you understand. And I'll leave the names of those products that I use down below, but I also use them in my wash day routine that I recently posted, so check it out. And this video is just gonna show you my process. It's gonna show you my results, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So let's get into the video. Welcome to week 1. I'm using the rice water as a pre-shampoo this week. This is an old braid out that I want to detangle. So I've been using a Prepoo since about maybe 6 weeks post. When I have some new growth coming in, I've been using the African Pride Moisture Rich pre-shampoo, but today I'm using the rice water as my Prepoo. I'm focusing on my scalp by my new growth, but I'm also dragging it down the length of my hair so the entire length of my hair can be detangled. When I apply the rice water, it's basically like this. I focus it on my scalp as well as down the length of my hair, and that's what you're gonna see like throughout the majority of this video. I'm just taking out all the plots that I've made, and this is a little bootleg length check with this jersey that I should not have used. I'm just gonna pin all my hair on top of my head and let it sit for like 15 minutes. So I just came back from using the rice water. So I just came back from using the rice water. It's my first time using it, and I use it as a Prepoo today. My hair feels dry, if I'm being completely honest. After I washed it out, I went ahead and used my Detangling Essentials Moisturizing and Detangling shampoo, and I shampooed twice, which is something I always do, but my hair doesn't usually feel this dry. I wouldn't say that it feels brittle or anything like that. It just feels drier than usual. It doesn't feel like stronger or weaker or like more breakage, less shedding, nothing like that. Everything is normal. So as a Prepoo, meh, in terms of, I mean, I just put it in, no length is gonna happen right now, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and deep condition now, and that's it for week 1 basically. I'll see you guys next week. Step right on up, week 2. Lord, I'm annoying. I have some shedding, ain't no difference. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I just Prepooed and shampooed my hair. My hair feels pretty soft. This is week 2. My hair didn't feel any different throughout this week. My hair's been shedding a lot, but today I'm 9 weeks post, and my hair usually starts to shed after the 8th week, like post relaxer mark. So that's nothing new, but the rice water, when I used it as a Prepoo last week, it didn't really help me in terms of, oh, I'm gonna get less shedding or less breakage. I didn't feel so. I didn't feel like it did anything significant to my hair, so using rice water as a Prepoo is a no from Jolene. But today I'm going to be using it as a deep conditioner, and what I do with my deep conditioners is that I leave them to sit with a heat cap so I get the heat and the deep conditioner will penetrate into my hair. I don't know how that's going to be with the rice water. I don't know, but we gonna see. I have on a different jersey today because after watching last week's footage, I was like, Jolene, how are you gonna show the people a lens check with a black shirt? You have sense. So from this week onward, I'm gonna be wearing a white shirt. So even if you can't really tell from the first week if my hair grew substantially, hopefully by the end of the 4 weeks you can tell if it grew at least from week 2 with this new white shirt. Okay? Okay, so onto the deep conditioner. So here's my deep conditioner for the day. I'm using it in place of my Honey Miracle hair mask, applying it all over my hair to my scalp, my new growth, and my hair. Then I'm putting on a plastic cap, my heat cap, and I'm leaving it in for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I just came back from rinsing out the rice water where I use it as a deep conditioner. So I'm just gonna do another lens check. Bring down the cap a little bit. Does it look a little bit longer? I don't know. probably should have worn this shit in week 1. Wasn't this side. Let me just see if maybe this side. Maybe I did it down the middle. Who knows? I am horrible at doing comparisons though, guys. No, this got longer because it's a little bit light by my chin. I mean, I guess maybe that's normal. You grew. Hey! I don't know, we'll see next week because this is not the official lens check jersey. I've made up my mind. So we'll see next week. But as to how my hair feels pretty strong. It feels strong, like if I just did a protein treatment. It doesn't feel like soggy or watery. It feels strong. My hair isn't protein sensitive, so I don't know if maybe like it wouldn't be like this rice water thing wouldn't be like overwhelming for me. But for right now, my hair feels pretty good. It feels strong. I don't feel like, oh, it's so hot that I need to go and follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. So I'm liking how it's feeling. I mean, I really can't say because I didn't wear the right shirt last week. Don't kill me. If it is my hair has grown or not. I think maybe in the front it did a little bit. I don't know, I think so. Yeah, because like now it's passing my chin and I don't think it did that last week. I don't know, maybe I'm imagining things, but maybe by next week I'll get a better depiction and I'll know for sure. But I'm not really doing this for length per se. I mean, I would love to see if this trend really does gray hair, but I would also like some help in like mitigating the shedding. So I'm really looking forward to 2 things that the rice water said it's gonna do. So yes, the longer hair because we love a long hair beauty, but also I want like help with the breakage and shedding. Like if that could stop with this treatment, that would be really nice. But look, I just pulled and nothing came out there, so maybe this side benefited a little bit more. Who knows? Yeah, so that's it for me. I'm gonna moisturize and seal, and I'll see you guys next week in week 3. Bye. Week 3. I'm tired of this. Okay guys, it's week 3 and this is my hair right now. Do you think it looks longer? I think something about my hair looks like a little bit longer, but I could just be paranoid. I'm also like I'm craving getting a relaxer. Like I can't wait until it's done. Last week I used rice water as a deep conditioner. My hair felt really good this week, like very moisturized. I only moisturized my hair once. A little bit due to laziness, but also because like my hair just felt really good and it felt really strong. Sometimes, you know, I've talked about this strand that's in my protein versus moisture video, and I find like my hair is like super strong. Like I pull on it and it's like damn girl, you got some gains, you know. So my hair felt really good. I really liked it as a deep conditioner, so thumbs up for last week. But this week I'm gonna be using rice water as a hair rinse. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna go into my regular routine. In case it hasn't been made clear, I'm using these 3 products as consistent products for the next 4 weeks. I'm just gonna interchange the rice water where I'm not using them in a particular place. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm washing out the deep conditioner from my hair. I have my big bowl and my small bowl with the rice water. The big bowl is gonna be just below me so that the rice water can, like the runoff can just go into the big bowl. So here I'm just putting the rice water on my scalp, my new growth, as well as on my ends because it is a protein treatment and you know we want our hair to be nice and strong and handle life. So with the runoff, I'm just putting it back into the small bowl and I'm just gonna put it again on my hair until it eventually finishes. And that's what I do. And then I go ahead and wash out the rice water because I don't want it to stay in my hair. And then I squeeze out the excess water, and then I'm gonna milly rock back on to my room. I know I said I would only wear white shirts from now on, but child. So I just put the rice water on my hair as a hair rinse. My hair feels like already like super strong. Like I can just put it and it'll be okay. It feels like the strongest it's ever been. Like my hair kind of feels a little bit hard, to be honest. So like I low-key want to put some of this back in, but I'm like, nah, save this, girl. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize and seal now. This is where my hair, I guess, is at. Where it's past collarbone. Right. Sit wet. Just finish the hair rinse. Is my hair growing? I don't know, but I mean I'm due for a relaxer soon, so that's what I'm looking forward to right now. I swear this girl is using a different jersey for every single length check. Like, where did I find this girl though? My hair kind of smells like the rice water, guys. Like I just, you know, pelt some lavender oil in it to make it smell good because like it was still kicking. But I mean, I can live with it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize and seal, and I'll see you guys next week. Week 4. I love you, my darling. Oh, I think this side is growing longer than this one. I'm gonna have to cut you, baby. You can imagine when I straighten this, guys, and all this new growth goes away and I flatten my hair. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. But you guys know how my hair goes that I'm trying to only flatten 3 times for the year. Where in February I've not flattened for the year. Give me a pat on the back because I deserve it. So today's the last Sunday in February. I just finished washing my hair, deep conditioning, you know, using the same exact products that I used in my wash day routine. My hair feels great as always. Again, I've been using moisturizing products, as in my Prepoo is moisture rich, my shampoo is moisturizing, my deep conditioner is moisturizing, because rice water is a protein treatment and I don't want my hair to experience protein overload. So I'm using the moisturizing treatments to kind of combat it, and my hair really feels strong. So the rice water hasn't really helped with shedding for me, but like if you can see, like my hair gets stretching and then it's pulling, you know, like it stretches a little bit and then it snaps. It doesn't snap immediately, so it has enough moisture and it doesn't like elongate a lot. So it has, my hair just feels good. So this week I'm going to be using the rice water kind of like as a leave-in slash, I guess, like scalp nourishing treatment, whatever. I'm going to be putting it on my scalp, and then I'm eventually going to post this video and you guys are going to see my results. So far I think week 1 and 2 I saw nothing. This week I feel like I did the hair ends last week and I feel like my hair is feeling like longer. I don't know if like I'm just feeling myself, but I find like my hair just, I don't know, does it look longer to you? Like today I find like it looks, this week I was like, did my hair grow? Like I was really feeling that way this week, but I was like, Jordan, don't be paranoid. This side seems longer than the other. I really be trying with these length checks on you guys. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I really be trying. I think I forgot to mention, but the moisturizer and seal that I'm using is the Hello Hydration Conditioner as well as olive oil. That's what I've been using. This side seems to be growing faster than the other side. That's how my hair's always been though. My left side just grows better. What side do I sleep on? I sleep on my right side sometimes. It depends. Mostly. No, I sleep on my left side. What side do I tilt my head on when I sleep? Who knows? I'll be sleeping. But that's my hair today. I'm not gonna put any rice water today. I actually just put it to like sit and ferment. So I'm gonna start using it tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wash it out, then do another length check, and then it will be finished. This has been the longest month of my life. It really hasn't. It's February, it's the shortest month. So yeah. We interrupt this program to bring you a message from our sponsor. Do you want to learn how to make rice water? Then stay tuned. Okay guys, there's no sponsor for this video. I'm just making rice water and I'm showing you how. I don't live with my parents anymore, like right now as I'm at school. So this is kind of a blessing because I know my father would give me a good cocktail for waiting his good rice to eat. But I just pour the rice out and then I'm washing the rice to get rid of any impurities. I wash my rice before I cook as well, so I might as well just wash it before I put it in my hair. And then I didn't have a strainer, so I just, you know, did my best, my bootleg straining. And then I go ahead again and I fill the rice water, well, the rice with water, put it on the counter, swish it around, swish swish, put on the lid, put it back in the cupboard, cool, and put it in a dark, cool place. Then the next day, I take it out. You see those little bubbles at the top? It's fermented. Carry it to the bathroom. Look at that. Oh Lord have mercy. Every week, this is my reaction. Every single week to putting this thing in my hair. This gonna be right though. Oh Father Lord. And then I put it in this spray bottle. And yeah, that's it. I have been pelting lavender oil. Like I almost put the whole bottle every single week into this rice water to try and get rid of the smell. Then I shake it up And well, this week I'm using the rice water as a kind of scalp treatment and leave-in. I moisturize my hair maybe 2 or 3 times a week, sometimes once. But I'm putting it, so this is the next day. So I did it on Tuesday and Thursday of this week. So this is the Thursday. I'd be tired. I came home late from the hospital this day. I'm just putting it on my scalp as well as down the length of my hair so it can moisturize my hair as well. And we're at the final day. I'm really happy. As you can see, I'm a total idiot. I don't know why, but I just washed my hair and you can see that my hair is super soft. I didn't use any rice water today. I just used the products in my wash day routine and my hair is super soft and I'm about 12 weeks post hair, so okay, big man thing. I don't remember what my hair looked like last week, but I find my hair looks longer. Am I imagining it? Maybe. I'm also due for a relaxer coming soon. But this side looks longer than this side, but like this side literally feels longer. This side, no, this one just like feels normal, but this one literally feels longer, like legit. I really don't even remember the sections I was taking, and I haven't been watching nobody clips. Guys, I even making YouTube videos, like what am I even doing? I'm pulling, so there's like I'm trying to pull it out of my hand. I'm pulling. And I definitely have a lot of mini growth, and even in the front, like it's very, you see that? It's very, very grown. Yeah. So I'm finally finished with this rice water challenge. I hated how the rice water smelled, to be honest, and having to put it in my hair every day. I felt like people could actually smell me put it, like smell it in my hair, like I could smell it. And anytime I could smell my hair, whether it be the rice water or even like sebum, it's not very pleasant. I mean, it's not like stink or anything, but it's just not pleasant. So I was very self-conscious. I think this was my least favorite thing to do with the rice water, and I didn't even really like the Prepoo. So anyways, see you later. Y'all, this was a long video. It was a long month. It was a long challenge. It was just long. If you're thinking about using rice water, I think as a deep conditioner and maybe as a hair rinse, I think it's really good and your hair can probably really benefit from it. So if it is that you're thinking about trying it, just let me know down below. If it is that you have tried it, then just let me know what results you got. Like, you know, we love when our hair be growing. I don't intend to make rice water like a steady part of my routine. Maybe like when I have more new growth coming in, I may do it as like a hair rinse every now and again, but it's not gonna be a staple for me. Sorry. I really love when you guys just interact with me in the comment section, so make sure that you leave comments down below, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel, as well as hit the bell notification button so you'll know every single time that I post. Guys, get with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay hopeful, stay faithful, stay loving. I'll see you guys in the next one. Blessings.